কৰ্মচাৰীসকল, চৰকাৰী কৰ্মচাৰীসকল, এখন নটিফিকেশ্যন আহিছে গভ আছামৰ পৰা, অফিচ অফ দ্য ইনস্পেক্টৰ অফ স্কুল ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ ফালৰ পৰা, য'ত লিখা আছে ইয়াত শ্ৰী মৃদুল কেয়াৰ নাথ AICI, ইনস্পেক্টৰ অফ স্কুল NDC নগাঁও, টু প্ৰিন্সিপাল এণ্ড হেডমাষ্টাৰ অল নগাঁও, subject submission of information regarding discrepancy of pay of graduate teacher appointed after 17/3/2017. Reference DRC Assam letter number অধীনত যি লেটাৰ নম্বৰ আছিল তাৰ অধীনত এখন লেটাৰ পঠাইছে. Sir madam, with reference to the letter cited above, you are humbly directed to furnish the requested information regarding the discrepancy of pay and the pay band of graduate teacher appointed after 17/3/2017 under ROP 2017-7 Pay Commission. Therefore, you are directed to submit the data of graduate teacher appointed after 17/3/2017 in both hard copy and soft copy in the following given format: soft copy in Excel and/or before 25 June 2026 to this office for onward. Submission to the director. The may the treated to most urgent for any query call. Phone number diche. School name of graduate teacher, date of service joining. Date service joining. Present basic pay. Present gross salary. After correction basic pay consider annual base pay. After correction gross salary. Monthly difference